What's going on, everybody? So today I'm gonna cut the holes that need to be for the airlines that are gonna be in the engine bay, and I'm gonna install the front air struts. And let's get started. So I got the air struts, and I'm still waiting on AVS dual air compressor kit and check valves for my valves. But for the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this out the way and cut the holes top strut tower. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave these like that because it's a 19mm. I could take those out and then put the other fittings back on with the airline attached, so that way I don't have to take it off of the car. Basically what I gotta do is I gotta cut a hole right here for the airline to come in. Alright guys, so after cutting the holes, after adjusting a few things that I needed to do for the bags to be able to fit through the holes properly, I did get the valves on and everything set up, and it does hold air, does raise it up, and then I was basically just checking them with a tire gauge so that way I can have them at the same pressure. But this is what the front looks like. Slam. Looks pretty clean. This is gonna save me time from taking off the coilovers and putting the airbag struts on. It's gonna help out in the long run because all I gotta do is just take that fitting out from the bag that's just right there, and basically just get to it from there and put the air hose fitting on there. But I don't know what you guys think. It'll work for now until I get stuff I need for the compressors and the valves. Alright guys, so I did get everything put on. I'm gonna pull this out of the garage and park it out there so you guys can get a view of what it looks like all the way slammed. And I ordered the AVS kit for the dual air compressors. I ordered the check valves, and I ordered some silencers. I got a few things, but as far as putting the bags on the car, shout out to Bodie Vision for hooking it up with the bag kit. And let's pull this thing outside.